Snoring and sleep apnea. In normal breathing, air enters the nostrils and goes through the throat and the trachea to the lungs. In people who snore, this airway is partially obstructed by excess tissue of the throat, such as large tonsils, large soft palate, or tongue. Another common cause of obstruction is the dropping of the tongue into the throat due to over-relaxation of tongue muscles during sleep. Air currents competing through narrow spaces in the throat cause the soft palate, essentially a piece of soft tissue hanging in the throat, to vibrate. This vibration is the source of the noise we hear when someone is snoring. Sleep apnea happens when the airway is completely obstructed, no air can go through, and the person stops breathing. This cessation of breathing triggers the brain to respond by waking up the person just enough to take a breath. This repeats itself again and again during the course of the night and may result in sleep deprivation. Snoring and mild sleep apnea may be treated with the mandibular advancement device. This device is designed to move the lower jaw and the tongue slightly forward and thus making the space in the back of the throat larger.